spreading news ezo zinanka za hateful speech na nobe muri mu bihanga president agwire simanyi bamutwara Kenya, simanyi bamwiye bamutwara Amerika, muri ni mu biha. So it's totalize abakunda president wanyu Mohamed yone bishuge, they are just trying and nakintu kiba munonga kushanga nukore kintu nk'icyo kandi mostly channels zirandi zitambuza neza papa yes twanga bibina kandi tutagira buri kibina kuba icyo tujya abanyamukuru but mureke haza abantu mituma so kandi utarishemererwa nk'umuntu yagwara abo kuba na president nje yakoze n'ajya n'ibindi, so it's not true. President is fine live and kicking kandi takagwiriho corona yona gibagamba ndano batonye batesaho video bayone baragurira kuri ya, it's not true. Nobody munonga kuwachika kwa media and it's a luba duba style with just sleeping kwa media. Love college.